market is undoubtedly the largest market in the whole wide world, with an average daily market volume of over $5.3 trillion. That means we have $5.3 trillion exchanging hands amongst Forex traders every 24 hours. Now, how can you identify the best Forex broker that will aid you make money and build wealth from this plethora of opportunities presented to you in the Forex market? Now, grab a pair of writing materials, grab a seat and sit back as I show you the good, the bad, the ugly of Forex brokers that can either make you or mar your success as a Forex trader in the Forex industry. Hello gorgeous viewers, welcome to Wealth Mastery. My name is Daniel and I'm your host and captain on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be demystifying the myth and the controversies surrounding Forex brokers and how you can identify the best type of Forex broker to trade with as you try to make money and build wealth in the Forex industry, either as a beginner Forex trader or even an experienced Forex trader. Friends, Forex brokers are a fundamental element to our success as Forex traders. The choice of the Forex broker you trade with can determine the extent of your failure or success as a Forex trader. There is this misconception among even professional Forex traders that Forex brokers trade against the success of their clients. Although this is not true. However, there are sharp and unethical beliefs amongst Forex brokers that have created these controversies surrounding Forex brokers. These are what we're going to be talking about today. I shall be exposing all of these sharp controversies surrounding Forex brokers. And towards the end of this video, I shall be exposing you to secrets on how to identify the best Forex broker to trade with as you try to make money and build wealth in the Forex industry. What is a Forex broker? A Forex broker is a platform that provides traders and clients access to the pool of Forex liquidity. The Forex broker can source for liquidity from the interbank market, or from commercial banks, or from investment houses, or from other larger brokers, or can even provide liquidity by itself to its clients or traders in the Forex market. What are the types of Forex brokers right now in the Forex market, in the Forex industry? Basically, there are three types of Forex brokers in the Forex industry right now. One, we have the B-book brokers, otherwise known as the market makers. Then, secondly, we have the A-book brokers, otherwise known as the true ECN brokers. Then, thirdly, we have the straight-through processing brokers, also known as the hybrid brokers. What are the B-book brokers or market makers? The B-book brokers or market makers are broker platforms that operate the dealing desk. What is a dealing desk? The dealing desk is an enclosed or isolated environment consisting of tens to hundreds of professional traders managing the trade inventory for a broker. So, the market makers basically operate a dealing desk. The B-book brokers or market makers complete or fills their client orders by matching counterpart orders from their internal trade inventories. They do not source for counterparties from the interbank market. Everything is done within their platform. Now, in times of limited counterpart orders, the B-book broker can fill or complete their client orders themselves. That means the B-book broker provides the counterpart trade for client trade. In other words, the B-book broker trades against the client's order. What are the advantages of using a B-book broker? The first advantage of using a B-book broker is that you enjoy almost instant execution of your order. Because even in the absence of counterpart orders in their trade inventory or in their order inventory, the market makers themselves provide counterparts for their client orders. Another advantage of using a B-book broker is that you enjoy flexible leverage. Yes, there is little to no regulation stopping or limiting the B-book broker from providing you with flexible or higher leverages. That's the second advantage. Then thirdly, you enjoy fixed spread. Now with the big book broker or market makers, you have a fixed spread. Every market maker has a fixed spread in every currency pair or trading asset on its platform. So thereby, before you even execute a trade or before you place a trade, you already know the amount of spread is going to cost you to execute that particular trade. Then last but not the least, there is no rollover fee in form of swap or whatever with a market maker or a big book broker. That is to say, they do not incur overnight cost or interest in form of swap on the borrowed liquidity with which they use in providing you leverage on your accounts. However, with all of these advantages, there are some damning disadvantages in using a big book broker. The first disadvantage of using a big book broker is that price of currencies and assets on that platform may differ from prices of assets on the interbank market. On a big book broker or market maker platform, prices of currencies and assets are always tempered with or manipulated compared to price of assets on the interbank market. Secondly, liquidity may be low at times. Yes, because they don't link you in the interbank market where they have a more larger pool of liquidity. Using the big book broker, sometimes you might experience scarcity of liquidity at times. Then thirdly, and the most damning disadvantage of using a big book broker is that if the broker platform is badly managed, the big book broker can easily run into bankruptcy. Aside bad management as a primary cause for bankruptcy for a big book broker, every trader loses trade. So therefore, the big book broker stands a higher chance of getting bankrupt if it loses trade against its client, since it regularly trades against its clients. When it goes bankrupt, the possibility or the chance of getting your investment out of the platform becomes a nightmare. So friends, please, if you're getting value from this video already, please kindly like this video by clicking on the thumbs up button just below this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're yet to subscribe. As you subscribe, please click the bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you'll be the first to be notified subsequently as I produce and upload brand new videos on this channel. So the second type of Forex broker is the A book broker or the true ECN. A true ECN broker is a broker that directly links its clients' orders to counterparties in the interbank market. An ECN broker does not operate a dealing desk. Rather, they directly link clients' orders straight to counterpart orders in the interbank market. As such, with the ECN broker, you enjoy transparency and real-time pricing of currencies and assets. An ECN broker does not fill its clients' orders or does not provide counterpart for its clients' orders. As such, an ECN broker can never go bankrupt. Thirdly, since an ECN broker directly links its clients' orders to counterparties in the interbank market with larger liquidity pool, an ECN broker always has liquidity most times, except in periods of price spike caused by news or economic events during trading hours. With a true ECN, clients enjoy very low spread during peak trading hours. At times, clients can even enjoy zero spread on their trades. So therefore, the biggest advantages of using a true ECN broker is that clients enjoy transparency and real-time pricing of currencies and assets since they are directly linked to the interbank market. And secondly, a true ECN broker cannot go bankrupt. However, there are some few disadvantages of using a true ECN broker. One of such is that during spike caused by news events or economic events, there can be high rates of rejected orders due to scarcity of liquidity. Secondly, with the true ECN broker, you have limited leverage. Now this is as a result of regulation. The true ECN broker is highly regulated. As such, regulation limits them from providing you with higher leverages for your accounts. Even though that a higher leverage to a beginner is a disadvantage, but a higher leverage to a professional trader can be an advantage that will help you make money in the Forex market if properly utilized. The third disadvantage of using a true ECN broker is that there is always going to be a rollover fee or an overnight fee in form of swap when using an ECN broker. The third type of Forex broker that we have is the straight-through processing broker known as the STP or the hybrid broker. The hybrid broker, as a matter of priority, operates as a true ECN. That is, it directly links its clients' trade to counterparties in the interbank market. However, it also employs some of the advantages or some of the operations of the market maker or the big broker to the advantage of its clients. That is to say, as a matter of priority, the hybrid broker links its clients' orders with counterparties in the interbank market. However, during spike or when there are limited counterparties in the interbank order, the hybrid broker behaves like a market maker, whereby it completes or fills smaller pending orders from its clients by directly providing the counterpart orders to those orders. This is so that client orders can be quickly and promptly completed or executed. The hybrid broker only fills smaller orders, but it does not take risks on larger orders. Most hybrid brokers do this by employing the services of a bot or a robot in identifying and filling smaller orders. But for larger orders, it directly links and sends it to the interbank market for execution. So therefore, the hybrid broker offers the advantages of operating as a true ECN and also offers the advantages of operating as a market maker. The only disadvantage offered by a hybrid broker is just in the swap. There is always a rollover fee when dealing with a hybrid broker. So friends, in all of this that I have just shared, in my own personal opinion, I feel the hybrid broker offers the best set of services and support to traders in the Forex markets. So as a bonus tip, how do you identify or how do you know if a broker is a market maker or a big book or a true ECN or a hybrid broker? To identify if a broker is a big book broker, 1. The platform. The broker would offer you fixed spread. So if a broker offers you fixed spread, you know that that broker is most likely a big book broker. Then secondly, if you're using a bot or a robot, during price spike, orders in the interbank market are usually rejected. But if your order is executed and you make profit during price spike, then 99.9% that broker is a big broker. Then for an ECN broker, during price spike, prices are always rejected. So a broker with a high rate of rejection is most likely a true ECN broker or an A-book broker. And lastly, to identify whether a broker is a hybrid broker or an STP broker, it would definitely offer you a dynamic spread since it operates as a true ECN. But in addition to offering you a dynamic spread, a hybrid broker ensures speedy or prompt execution of smaller trades. So you take note of that. When you see smaller trades being quickly executed or being quickly filled, then most likely that broker is a hybrid broker, which to me seems like the best broker to deal with or to trade with. However, friends, in all of this, please, before you trade with any broker, please ensure that you go through their risk management policies to ensure how they take risks on trades. Secondly, friends, before you decide on which broker to trade with, kindly check out the type of the regulatory license they possess. Because the type of the regulatory license they have can limit and checkmate the extent of their unethical practices. Forex trading is one of the most lucrative businesses right now on earth. If 1, you pick the right Forex broker to trade on, then 2, apply your best Forex trading plan or strategy. Then 3, apply the most proper risk management structure while you're trading. With these 3 put together, I assure you that you can make a lot of money and begin to build wealth using Forex trading as a tool. Friends, please, if you think you got value from this video, please kindly like this video if you are yet to like, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as you subscribe, please don't forget to click the bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you will be the first to be notified subsequently as I produce and upload brand new videos on this channel. I remain your host once again, Forex Daniel, and I'll see you